So I saw your post about doing like the clucks, and that's awesome that you're getting it figured out. I actually have the opposite problem. Is sometimes I don't want to be doing them as much, and I couldn't figure out why it is that I was making that sound after I started making it. And I kind of had an epiphany tonight that maybe part of it is my angle. Of course, I'm sure there's other things, like I work with my hands outside, so I have shorter fingernails. I mean, nothing. And I think that's part of it, is it's like not only the nail, but it's the skin touching. But like I say, I was kind of messing around with it today, and I think the angle has a lot to do with it. So the way I would normally play it, something is. But if I change the angle a little bit, of course I can do that with my hand too, but I'm not in the habit yet, so it's easier just to tilt my banjo out more. Let's see here, look. Let's see if I can go more extreme. So then back down to here. So, like I say, I guess that has a lot to do with it, just the way the angle that your fingers are striking. It seems like if my fingers hitting more like this, it doesn't seem to do this. It seems to do it more like this than this. So maybe that'll help some of y'all out there trying to actually figure out how to make that noise. Or if you're having the same problem I am and trying to not do it as much. So.